If one specific web page is slowing down Firefox, freezing, lagging, or taking forever to load, the problem is often not Firefox itself. It's usually a bad cache, a corrupted site cookie, hardware acceleration conflicts, or an extension that's getting in the way of the page scripts. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick browser tips just like this. Let's get into it. First, we'll clear the site data and cache. This is one of the most common fixes because old cached files or corrupted cookies can make a web page behave badly, especially if the site recently updated. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. That opens the Clear All History window in Firefox. When that window appears, change the time range to Everything. This makes sure you're clearing all the stored cache data instead of just a small portion. Now, look at the list of options and make sure only cache is selected. If anything else is checked that you don't want to remove, uncheck it. Then click Clear. Once Firefox finishes, reload the page and check whether the slowdown is gone. If the page is still sluggish, the next thing to try is disabling hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration can improve performance on many websites. But on some systems, especially if your graphics drivers are outdated or conflicting, it can actually make Firefox freeze or slow down certain pages. To change this, click the menu icon in the top right corner, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, and then choose Settings. In the Settings page, use the search bar and type Performance. This should take you directly to the Performance section. Once you're there, first uncheck. Use Recommended Performance Settings. That will reveal a few manual options underneath. Now, uncheck Use Hardware Acceleration when available. After that, restart Firefox so the change fully applies. Open the same web page again and see if it loads more smoothly now. If the page is still giving you trouble, the next likely cause is a misbehaving extension. Some ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, or even grammar extensions can interfere with a website's code and make it crawl. To test that, click the menu icon again and go to Extensions and Themes. On the left side, click Extensions. You'll see all your installed add-ons listed there. Now temporarily disable your active extensions one by one or turn off the ones most likely to affect web pages, especially anything that blocks scripts, ads, tracking, or page elements. After disabling them, go back to the problem page and refresh it. If the page suddenly becomes faster, then you found the cause. From there, you can re-enable your extensions one at a time to identify exactly which one is causing the issue. That way, you don't have to remove everything permanently. In many cases, just updating, replacing, or adjusting one extension is enough to solve the problem for good. So to recap, if a web page is slowing down Firefox, start by clearing the cache, then disable hardware acceleration, and finally check your extensions and themes. Those 3 steps solve a huge number of browser slowdown issues without needing any advanced tools. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.